much details for Jalado?
Actually, idu kam do in kiba innovative construction ba loina ase. Idu do span 1 span 2 to phangawo. Idu do pura nutun banawo. Idu bishde RE wall han thagiwo. Idu bishde footpath han thagiwo. Idu bishde pavement idu rasta pura do nutun banawo. Idu bishde site te chudu mudu han ina ki go repairing works han ina hobo. Idu hani ase kam do. Aro actually department project la estimated time do 6 months ase. Already department ba do like chuldi banabi guna 3 months din ase. Amian bi para tak to 3 months se complete kurle try kuro. Itu na.
Acha do amyan do bridge aru renovate kwaram ni samne de khor khan nolibi do ni properties khan bu demolish khan nolibi khan ko lesin na.
Actually ina ase bridge lai ase itu tender do. Hoile bi yade jade amnian bi dikho paro yede khor osor han bi ase na. To do ROW de la bhitor de ai do ando. To amian demolish kurise gule do itu do khor de lagiole ase itu do. To ina do itu do administration ba sai ase ina bhabna ase amian do. Itu tahan ba kuri dibo gina na. To tahan ba joldi kuri dise gule do amian bi speed up to demolish korala ta kam do joldi khotom ho jao. Itu hobo.
Just do kam na opore first kata from right na tahan bi speak conversion na kun Monday she aru tahan speak kwaram de tahan mi lo opore bu kuchna bole na.
Yeah. Since the bridge already had fire damage in the year 2019 and 20, so accordingly the department has entrusted the work, allotted the work to an expert consultancy, the CE testing, Kolkata-based consultancy. So according to their test report, they have conducted the test on the entire section of the bridge, and as per the test report, they have identified 2 spans out of the total 9 spans. They have identified 2 spans as weak. So accordingly, as per the test report, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, they have sanctioned the work, and then it was being allotted to a Naga firm through tendering process from La Namdo MS Innovative Construction. So it was the test was conducted in the year 2022. After that, the work was sanctioned last year in the year 2023, July, and we have department has issued the letter of award in the month of July 2023, and accordingly the work has just started today. It just started today because we couldn't find traffic diversion plan, especially for the heavy vehicles. For light vehicles, somehow adjustable. There are alternate routes, but for heavy vehicles, since the Dimapur bypass road, which is under the NHI DCL, the work was not yet completed. So even right now, the NHA DCL they haven't completed. I think they have completed only about 80 to 90%. But since considering the weakness of the bridge, the government of Nagaland Works and Housing, they have issued notification to divert the traffic and then start to commence the work.
Acha do sir idu 1973 de idu bridge inaugurate kwarande idu bridge to kiman years joliwa paro koina idu
That I'm not very sure because it was under BRO that time. It was constructed in the year 1973, as you have already mentioned. But when usually these bridges are built, they are usually constructed for a lifespan of almost 100 years.
Acha do sir idu bridge kam ko kani apni han do ko hindrance kan asin naina.
Yeah, there is. We have apprised this to our Deputy Commissioner, Dimapur. Then they have already vacated almost 90 to 95 illegal settlers who are residing below the bridge. So again, there is one building which is causing hindrance to our work. So I think we have already apprised that to the Deputy Commissioner also, and even our DCS gave us the assurance that they will look into the matter at the earliest.